this table is over here. And I was messaging with this woman the other day on a dating app back and forth. And things were going pretty well. You know, like little smiley face emoji, winky face emoji, eggplant emoji. And then out of nowhere, she drops this bomb on me. She says, "Are you into puppy play?" Now that is the appropriate response. You all seem like some good people, so I'm going to explain to you real quick what it is. Puppy play is when one person is the master/owner and the other person is a dog. They wear a leash, they get walked, they get down on all fours, they eat and drink out of a bowl, they even put down newspaper in the bathroom. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself right now, hey Ryan, where does the sex come into this? It doesn't. There is no sex involved whatsoever. So I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to respond. I'm no prude or anything, but the only thing I could think to say was, well, I'm not really into puppy play, I don't know about that, but have you ever heard of cat play? She's like, no, what's cat play? Like 3 eggplant emojis? I was like, well, cat play is, I come over to your apartment, I take off all my clothes, I get completely naked, I put a little collar on my neck, a little bell at the end, and then I ignore you for 6 hours. Every once in a while she walks by, I take a little swipe. I eventually get tired of this, so I take a 2-hour nap. When I awake from my slumber, I find that she's in the shower. I saunter on into the bathroom, she hears me. She opens up the shower curtain, motions for me to come in. I get down, put my head through, but I'm scared. I don't know what's going to happen. I look at her, I look at the water, I look at her, I look at the water. In a playful manner, she flicks the water at me, gets on my face, and I flip the fuck out. I catch a case of the zooms, I start running from room to room, knocking shit off the shelves, knocking shit off the cupboards. She gets out of the shower as quick as she can and dries off. Then all of a sudden, she doesn't hear anything. The commotion stops. She creeps into her bedroom, and there I am. Lying down on my back, belly completely exposed. Looks nice and soft. She wants to pet it. She gets closer. She puts her finger out. What she doesn't realize is that I have taken thumbtacks to the ends of my fingers. As her finger comes in, she pokes me in the belly, and I say, not today, bitch. And I go to town on that. I tear that up like a banana in a blender. She runs back to the bathroom to clean up. I saunter into the living room, and I notice outside the window, there is a child's play area with a sandbox. You know where this is going. So I get all excited, I go to the door, I start scratching out to get out. She kind of, out of pure frustration, opens the door just to show her I appreciate her. I give her a little headbutt. I run outside, she goes back on the couch, collapses out of pure exhaustion. Then all of a sudden, she notices my keys, wallet, pants, phone, everything. Then it hits her. She just let a grown man wearing nothing but a collar and a belt loose in her apartment complex. And as she realizes this, she hears what was the sounds of children playing into the shrieks of scared adults. She looks out of the window, and there I am, popping squat right in the sandbox. She freaks out. She runs outside, gets outside, runs down the hallway, and as I see her coming, I don't know if it's the tears she was wiping away from her face or the frantic yells, but I can tell I've broken her. I start finishing up as quick as I can, trying to cover my tracks. She realizes it's useless. It's futile at that point. She gives up. She drops down to her knees. She lies down flat on her face, motionless. I get out of the sandbox. I walk over. You can tell she's given up. She's thinking to herself, how did it come to this? How did it get like this? So I get next to her. I go down on one knee, then the other. Lean down, give her a little bump. And I softly lean into her ear and say, just to be clear, there's no sex involved. Thank you very much, my name is Ryan Patrick.